back to another. Oh, my shirt is dirty, and I had this shirt on for the whole video. Hi guys, it's Maya. If you are new, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a hair video. Today I'll be showing you guys how I did this like goddess side swoop ponytail thing. And if you guys are interested in seeing how I did it, then just go ahead and keep on watching. So originally I took this video as a reference to where I want my ponytail, but that's just how my hair looks now. I know that I want like a deep side part, so I'm looking in the mirror as I do this, and I'm just parting out the side of my hair, and then I'm going to proceed to put it in a ponytail. But first, before I do that, I'm going to part out my bangs because I like I said, it's a deep side swoop or like a swoop for the bangs. So I'm just getting that hair out the way so that I know what's the bangs and what's the ponytail. I have a really small head. Like at the back of that bang is already the back of my head. So doing this was a little difficult because of my head shape, but I think I did pretty good. But anyway, so I'm just combing the hair up, and I didn't really use any product. I think I used some Got2b spray for the flyaways and some edge tamer for my edges. But as far as there are people who put product on the actual ponytail hair, and I just didn't want to do that because then I would have to wash my hair, and I just came from, I just blow dried and put all this heat on my hair. I didn't want to have to wash it once I took out the braid. So that's why I didn't put any product while putting it up, just a little bit of Got2b spray. You could put product on your hair if you want to. But anyway, so I got the ponytail, and oh my god, do y'all see that? Y'all see that gray hair? If you don't see it, then you don't see it. But oh my god, there we go again. But anyway, so this is the bangs, and I'm just making sure that it is the way I want it. It's giving back, foot and forth. I don't know about y'all, but it's giving very much Aaliyah. But yeah, so this is the hair that I'm going to be using. I think it was about $5 or $7, I don't remember, dollars from the beauty supply store. It was less than 10, 52 inches. You already see the vibes. This is the hair that I'm going to crochet in and put at the ends of the hair because, like I said, I want like a goddess type of vibe. So you want to get like a curly, kinky, curly kind of curl like that. So this is how the braiding, it's braiding hair I believe, but I'm going to use it for my ponytail. 3 of these rubber band sections came in, and what I'm going to do is take the rubber band that it already came like this. So I'm going to take the rubber band, and I'm going to, put the rubber band on my already ponytailed hair. And yeah, I'm just going to do that twice. So I got 2 pieces in. I got my piece. So I'm brushing out the hair because I don't know how this hair just gets tangled. It's like when you blink, each time you blink, the hair just decides to just dance with each other and get tangled. So I'm just brushing it before I start braiding. And yeah, I'm about to start braiding. But before I do start, you want to take a piece of hair and just leave it out. I feel like this is optional depending on how you do your ponytail. I'm braiding my hair along with the hair. And I still pulled it out, but I didn't feel like it was really necessary. But I just did it just because that's what the tutorials say to do. But this braid was kind of hard for me because I have rhinestones on my nails, so when I braid, it kept getting like caught onto my nails and snagging and stuff. Y'all saw me only use 2 of the packs, so I'm just using the 3rd one to add in here to make the braid longer and fuller. And yeah, so that's the hair that you see me adding in. And then once I get towards the bottom of the braid, I'm going to start adding in the curly hair so that the ends could be curly like how I showed you guys earlier. I just secured the end with the rubber band, and the top just, I don't know, it didn't look stable enough for me. Like, it just looked like it was gonna be, and it didn't even feel secure up there. So I was starting to get some doubt. And look, there go a piece of hair poking out. Like, I don't know, I just wasn't happy with this. But I just continued just in case it was just me. But as you see, even as I was wrapping that little piece, some more of my real hair started to come out. So, and it was just irritating me. This ponytail is cute, and this would have been the finished product, but look at my hair at the top, and look, it's just fragile. So we're gonna have to do this over. So I realized that the ponytail itself is actually fine. Like, you know, this is kind of cute, whatever. It's just the braid. Like, my hair is sticking out and it's starting to bother me. So I'm gonna do it over because I'm gonna see if my mom want to do it. In the meantime, though, so this is just like a track that my mom had. Well, there's like, you know, some tracks. I actually cut this, and I got some clips from the beauty supply store. You know, I'm using these clip-ins just to fill in my bangs. This wasn't even necessary. I don't know why I did this, but I did it because I wanted to put the bangs behind my ears, and my hair wouldn't stay by itself because it was like too soft or something. So I wanted to add in some length so that my hair could actually stay behind my ears when I curled it and tucked it back there. So, you know, I just added in some length. Boom, boom, boom. See, there go the clip-ins, clipping in, and yeah. So she did a great job on the braid. However, towards the end, it looks like it got thin and thick again. So I might have to fix that. But in the meantime, I did do my edges off camera with some, you know, just regular edge control. So I'm cutting off the, I don't know what this wrap is called, the paper wrap or whatever. And what I should have did was ripped it with my fingers because I done went and cut my hair. Oh my God. I cut my hair. How far up did it go? I cut that whole piece off. Anyway, though, back to the ponytail. So, I don't know. Do y'all see what I'm talking about? That it gets really skinny and then really thick at the end? Because, I don't know. It was bothering me. So, I just did it over myself by going back up the braid and adding in more hair. And then adding more curly hair towards the end so it could give the look that I'm looking for. And I think it looks 10 times better. Now I'm going to go in with a crochet needle and some more of the curly hair. I split some of it in half so it could be not as thick. And I tried tying some strands. Well, I tried tying that one. And I realized it didn't tie. And honestly, I was being lazy anyway. So when I crocheted through, I just ended up leaving it there. And I just did that all throughout the braid. I kind of avoided going towards the top because the top is still, you know, my real hair is still up there and it's still kind of too soft, like it'd be just slipping out. So I tried to be very careful up there, but most of the hair I added was throughout the actual braid. And then that is the finished look.